This is a 2024 Adam Julite with side ramp and dressing room. Just arrived here at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. The trailer is 7'6" tall, 6'6" wide, and they call it 15 feet on the floor. If we actually measure probably here to the nose, it's about 16 feet. But Adam just measures theirs a little shorter. They don't go all the way up into the nose so that they make sure they account for all the space there. They don't want to cut their number short. So again, this is a 2024 Adam Julite with a side ramp. This is the champagne colored model. Just arrived at Trailer Country LLC. Has a window there between the horse area and the dressing room. Side ramp with top curtain with sliding window. That sliding window is an addition that we do here at Trailer Country LLC. That is not standard on this trailer. We also add an extra foot at the horse heads to make sure that your largest horses can come out of that side ramp. They have a 15-inch steel wheel with an ST 225/75 R15 tire. And I'm going to tell you that is a Load Rage E, so that is going to be a 10-ply tire. LED running lights, LED load light, and LED interior lights. You have a switch on the outside for your load light and a switch on the outside for your interior lights. Rear ramp. Over that rear ramp, we have top curtains with sliding windows. You can tie those top doors back for travel in the super hot days. Padded breast and butt bars, padded sidewall, and padded divider. That divider is removable. We have a bar style removable head divider that can swing side to side, 2 pop-up roof vents, and a full-size escape door on the street side. We'll open that in just a second. If you haven't seen the Adam latches, I really like the way these operate. They call them a gravity latch, so you don't lose them. They're not a pin on a string. They're attached to the wall. The horses really don't mess with them. They also have a stopper on the back of the butt bar and the front of the breast bar, so the horses can't push that out when you are trying to get that pin in. But it's nice that you don't have to try to hold onto that pin or grab a pin on a string. Full-length running boards on the trailer, so you have a place to step into the escape door and into that dressing room. Again, full-size escape door. A lot of times on this model, people will ask us about making it into a box stall. What we do is recommend adding an exterior latch here. We call it a paddle latch. Some people call it a butterfly latch. I'm not sure what the real term is. We call it a paddle latch. So we add a latch here so that if you have loose horses inside, they cannot open that door and exit from the inside. So if that's something you're interested in, we do that a lot on this model, is add that paddle latch to the outside so you can make it into a box stall by just removing this divider. The head divider swings side to side with that pin. So when you're bringing horses out of the side ramp, you can easily swing that head divider over to the side, and now your horse has plenty of room to step out. Again, Trailer Country adds 1 foot here at the horse heads so that we make sure there's plenty of room for those horses to come out of that side ramp. Heading into the dressing room. The dressing room on the side ramp trailers is smaller because what they do is angle the wall between the horse area and the dressing room. So it's going to make your dressing room a little bit smaller here on the side ramp. We have to sacrifice somewhere. We have 2 saddle racks here in the dressing room, a spare tire, 6 bridle hooks, and that sliding window between the horse area and the dressing room. We also put rubber mats on the floor instead of carpet because we all know we're going to spill something on our first trip. So that is a 2024 Adam Julite with a side ramp and a dressing room. This model is champagne, obviously on different sides with the different lights. We see a little bit different color. It's a really great color. It does change with the light and with what you're pulling it with. It's a pretty popular model. The trailer is available at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. You can see all the specs and photos on our website at trailercountryllc.com.